In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening OBS Studio from your desktop or from the Start menu. Once OBS is open, look at the Sources panel in the bottom left corner. Click the plus button to add a new source. From the list that appears, choose Video Capture Device. A small dialog box will open. You can leave the name as Video Capture Device, or you can enter a custom name. Delete the current name and type webcam, then click OK. Next, open the device drop-down and select your webcam from the list. This tells OBS which camera feed to use as the source for the virtual camera. After that, click OK to confirm. Now move to the Controls panel in the bottom right corner of OBS. Click Start Virtual Camera. This turns your OBS output into a camera source that other apps can use. With that running, open Microsoft Teams. In the top right corner beside your profile picture, click the three dots. This opens the main menu for app settings and options. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, click Devices in the left sidebar. Go to the Camera section and open the drop-down menu. From the list of available cameras, select OBS Virtual Camera. At this point, Teams is set to use the virtual camera feed coming from OBS. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, click Calendar in the left sidebar. In the top right corner, click Meet Now, then click Start Meeting. When the meeting setup window appears, check the camera preview. This is where you confirm that Teams is showing the OBS virtual camera feed correctly. If the camera is not active yet, turn on the camera toggle. Once the preview looks right, click Join Now. That connects you to the meeting using the camera feed from OBS Virtual Camera inside Microsoft Teams. That's how to use OBS Virtual Camera in Microsoft Teams.